missing someone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with Brian. We're going to be doing another Universal Yums box. So today the clue on the box is place where the hills are alive. We think it's from Austria. So
do we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that's the sound of music. The place where the hills are alive, which is Austria. Maybe. That's
your assumption. Don't bring me into that assumption.
But then if I'm right, you'll be like, ah! I'm so excited. Are you excited? Oh!
I told you.
Austria.
Something
in here smells good. It's those. It's these that smell good. I can smell them.
I farted.
So we got some snacks in here. And then we got, as usual, if you haven't seen one of our other videos doing this, we get this little booklet. And it just tells you all the snacks and information about them. So the first thing we will try is these. Yeah, these. Kelly's.
Oh, okay. I know what it is.
You'll like it. Mmm. Are you gonna eat one?
Yeah.
You're like, no, I'm on a diet actually. That tastes like the pizza that you get. Just really let it. Does that not taste like a pizza?
Can't taste like it.
It's so
really
weird.
Like it, eh?
I do. Like, I don't really like it, but I kind of do. You're like... Yeah, what do you rate it?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Me too.
4.
I gave it a 6. Pistinga Mandel Ecken. Oh.
What did you just say?
Almond cream filled wafers coated in milk chocolate and almonds. You say almonds, babe.
Almonds. What? Say you say it.
But it's not. Comment down below if he's wrong or if I'm right.
It's almonds.
Almonds.
Dislike for
No,
almonds.
don't.
Like for almonds.
Don't dislike.
You're saying almonds, like an R and then men's.
Almonds. Yeah. No, you're wrong.
Okay. Right, I put the whole one in my mouth. They taste f***ing weird as...
How can that be bad?
Oh.
You think they're off?
No.
What's that flavour? Is that cherry?
Yeah.
We both hate cherry.
But why? Well, where's the cherry? It's just wafer. Is that what's in the shop? I like how your first thing is it off? If you don't like it. 'Cause you just like everything. Ooh. 4. Again.
Oh. 4?
2.
Next one is Kelly's Snips puffed corn peanut snack. Okay, so this is what these ones look like. Oh my god, I really hope these are the ones I had when I was younger because my whole life will be complete because I've literally always wondered what they were because they were really good.
That looks like a cicada. Try that again. Try one again. They look like cicadas.
They do. Mmm. That's them.
How exciting. Delicious flavour. They're pretty much if you have like a cheese and bacon balls and then minus all the flavour off of them.
What?
That's what they taste like.
It's peanut butter.
Yeah, but it tastes exactly like cheese and bacon balls with no flavour. Just like...
How does it taste like a cheese and bacon ball?
Just the texture of a cheese and bacon ball.
Yeah,
Of like the puffy...
The texture, but peanut butter.
Yeah, but there's no peanut butter flavour.
What?
There's no peanut butter flavour. It tastes like nothing. It tastes like air. It tastes like popcorn.
Are you okay? You don't even know what you're talking about. Now they all think it's bad.
We'll rate it.
10.
2.
Oh my god, this is another one! This is another, it's the banana. We had these as well. Big banana dark chocolate bar with mousse filling. Except they're in clear packets. She's a bit melted.
Oh,
Smells
that
like
doesn't look like it at
You would
all.
hate the smell. Smells how I remember though. No, it's not the same.
Oh, that is so bad. I don't want to do it. That's gross. Oh.
Okay, this one will be good. It's okay. Milch strawberry cream filled wafer with chocolate.
Get your hands off. Oh, rum. No, that's what I'm saying. 9.
9.5. You know what that tastes like?
What?
When you go the Eka, or
Tastes like the Eka.
no, and you get the ice cream cone with the ice cream and the strawberry.
Yep.
Yes.
We're getting somewhere.
Bobby caramel bar, milk chocolate bar with caramel
Mr. Bobby.
nougat. Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
Nougat and crispy wheat rice.
Mmm.
I hope it's not nice, so I gave you the big piece.
Oh, rice bubbles in the middle. That's alright.
Want more?
Nah.
Okay, the next one is also Kastner brand gingerbread, soft gingerbread with hazelnuts, almonds, candied orange, and sugar glaze.
Is the discus throw cold water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. Try this one while you're gone. Braden's going to get water, so I'm going to try this. Kind of smells like a hot cross bun. It's okay, it tastes like gingerbread mixed with fruit bread. Braden's gonna hate this. Braden, you're gonna love this one.
No, I'm not. No, I know I'm not. Can I try and play cool?
You're gonna love it.
Feed me them.
Eat it!
That's fucking disgusting.
I said on the video you would hate it.
Oh my god. That's fucking terrible.
Oh my god!
Oh, why is it so hard?
This one's called Nut Joe.
Mm.
This is also Kastner, so their chocolate thing, like their Cadbury, is Kastner or whatever. Nut Joe hazelnut waffle.
Not on Joe Mama.
Yeah.
What? Okay, buddy. Austria, the king of wafers. Is it good?
Yep. Not as good as the strawberry one, but still good.
Yeah. Here you go.
Yeah.
7.
Oh, not good.
How do you make the ginger one? 0.
5, 3, 2,
Thanks.
4.
Thanks.
Please creamy onion mini fritz. Onion flavored potato snack, it says.
This is my jam right here.
Is it?
Yep. 100%. Smell test? No, no, good. Oh! Hey!
Let me try. That tastes exactly like our French onion chips, but in French fry form.
Oh, it's cheese and onion, sorry.
Yeah.
The yellow one. That was good. 10.
Yeah, probably a 10 too. Okay, I'm excited for this one. It's a Choco Erdbeeren. Oh, why has everything got to be dark chocolate? Dark chocolate coated strawberry mousse. God, if it tastes anything like a banana. I can literally smell these. This is where I can smell when I open the box.
I like the flavour inside, but if the chocolate was like dairy milk kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But we have things like that, which have the same stuff on the inside with nicer chocolate.
They stopped putting them in boxes, I'm pretty sure.
Were they in the roses boxes? No. I don't know.
I could be wrong.
They were. Kind of similar.
But they changed the peppermint ones too. I know you don't like mint, but they were my favourite, and they made them now as like these crunchy ones.
They're right.
There's like, there must be that chocolate that tastes weird because that tastes like the banana.
7.
5. This is called Volmich. Pretty much vomit. Vomit. Chocolate. 30% cocoa milk chocolate.
Stab.
I know why when I looked at this quickly I thought it was Lindt. Well, I'm gonna like this, I feel.
You have to eat the whole thing. That whole to the corner. Dark chocolate?
Mm-mm.
Flavour? You know what it tastes like? I already
At
know.
Easter,
I already know.
when you get the cheap chocolate?
Yeah.
Really?
The shitty coloured Easter eggs that your teacher
That are
gives
coloured,
you. Teacher gives
but
you
don't
Christmas
have
time.
the band around, just...
Get that out of my face.
Exactly what I thought. Still good. Like, they're okay. That's okay.
They're okay if that's all you can eat.
Yeah.
Ever.
If you don't have an option of having, like, Cadbury.
Yeah. Or anything better. Any other chocolate.
In the world.
Yeah.
Any food. This is the one I'm most excited for. We need to show the front.
Sorry, start opening it.
So, it's cool. Oh my god. Look at the front. What is on there that I hate? No.
Disclaimer,
It's
I
cool.
hate mint, she hates lemon.
Oh yeah. I love mint though. This says cool mint lemon peppermint patties with chocolate coating. Oh whoa!
Loki, I try to squeeze them out. The normal person grabs it from the middle.
That one looks dusty.
I'm eating the dusty one then. How is she? This is a stubble stacker. Relax. This is the most intense thing I've ever had to do.
You gotta eat one.
I got a lick.
Just bite that in half.
You want me to do a double stacker? We're gonna do a little topper.
You're so weird. Just give it a chance. Keep going.
I hate him.
You try.
No. Do you like them?
I don't know.
Do you know what they remind me of? The other week when we did it, and we had those little balls, and they were the same like kind of musky mint kind of flavor. The ones that taste like air freshener.
Oh yes. Yes. Even the texture is like that. The texture is like, it's not really that creamy. It's just like you can just, it's like chalk, but like a soft chalk.
Gross. Get an overview of your mess. Behind the scenes.
Bing. Oh,
Oh,
they're really hard to eat, huh?
Oh no. They are easier just to drink.
I never drink chips.
Oh.
I don't know, I just don't.
Up in India. We like to drink with the... Okay, but... You got like 3 chips.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below where you think our next box will be from, what country, and if you get it right, we'll give you a shout out. Stop! We'll give you a shout out in the next video. But yeah, if you did enjoy, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, let us know what you think, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. Bye!